YouTube, what's up, some Will Need to Junior, and welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I'm gonna change this guy's life. Yeah, I'm gonna make him TT. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's your boy Will Need to Junior. Stay tuned.
I was in the T, could call it lonely. I was puffing on weed, you could call me Mowgli. Bro said grind, I was grinding slowly. I had a seat once, she liked the naughty. Tryna get rich and writing stories. Tryna get rich with dodging police. There's no love, it's me and broski. Won't stop shooting till one just go sleep. I was in the T, could call it lonely. I was puffing on weed, you could call me Mowgli. Bro said grind, I was grinding slowly. I had a seat.
First of all, you have to comb out the hair so that all the hair can stand up, and so that the clipper can go through the hair easily, and this will make the haircut much more better. The next step is you have to make a bold line. Make sure that this bold line is neat, because this will determine the haircut. Next up, I'm gonna use my shaver so I can make the bottom razor bald, so this can bring another transition to the fade. I'm gonna use my one guard open, and I'm gonna go with the grain because he said he wanted the wavelength at the top, and as you can see now I'm using my 1.5 going with the grain, and I'm taking the hair down.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
as you can see here, I closed the one guard and I'm going with it at the hairline so that the shape up can come out sharp. I'm using my 1.5 guard open and I'm gonna blend the sides to the top. And now I'm using the T guard and I'm cleaning up in between. And now I'm setting my 0.5 guideline. Set this guideline half an inch and keep it consistent so that the fade can come out nice. And now I'm going to use the one guard open and I'm going to go up half an inch and keep it the same size as you did as the 0.5 line.
La ciencia.
And now I'm gonna be using my 1.5 guard halfway, and I'm gonna be flicking out, so I'm connecting the sides to the top. I'm gonna speed this bit up. And now I'm using my one guard closed and I'm going with the grain at the side so I can connect at the top and the sides together. So I lost the footage for the fading part, but I got the shape up part. So yeah, I always start on my shape ups in the middle and work my way to one side, either the left or the right, but I usually prefer the left. And now I'm doing detail work. Detail work will separate you from your average barber. This will bring you to the other level. And now I'm gonna be using the enhancements, and this should bring the cut to the next level. To finish the cut, you have to freehand the hair and cut off all the standing hairs, because a waver will really appreciate it when you do this. This is why they call me 180 Junior, because when you sit in my chair, I'll spin you in a full 180 and you come out looking like BAM! YouTube, this is a cut. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to see in the next video. And it's your boy 180 Junior. I'm out of here. Peace.
Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on.